Liquid nitrogen. Is the liquid nitrogen coming up? Oh my god.
Sorry. You're alright though. I'll feel that later. I've got on the skin. It's really actually nothing. You can hold it in your hand. You just can't hold it for very long. Call it. How far are we going up? It goes 60%. You know, I just have.
Oh no!
There's only like 3 inches of water in this time. And you didn't lay it down. Nope, put it straight up. I don't think it's the best thing to do. I think it's better if you lay it down with water because it's flat.
Oh yeah.
And also, you're going to get the full, like, lay it down. The top of the model will depends on how you lay it. Lay it sideways, it's going to blow out sideways. So if you lay it standing up, it might blow in. Now, I think it's going to blow out sideways. Now, the morning of, right, I want, we're going to do 7. Let's have a pot of water set on the stove right before. Turn that thing on. As soon as we get in, get it real hot and put it in 10 gallons and cool it. So we're not any issues. First thing.
Oh my god.